can see here that there's two doves, one sister one, and oh, looks like the sister one got some lice, and the brother is checking if she has lice. Look, they're doing stuff for that. Look, they're even picky. Pick. Uncle, help you, sister. Don't worry. I will help you from your fleas. Oh, so cute. They're little dovies. Oh, look. The brother is trying to help the sister. The sister is still for the brother to get her fleas out. Now the brother is scratching himself to get his fleas out from her. Now he's starting pecking her again, and then him again. He's pecking. He's thinking that lice is in his. Look, he's pecking inside. He thinks he has fleas. Now the sister is saying, brother, what about me? Brother, please back me. I have fleas. Then they're turning around. I'll go. First let me pack you. Then we'll go get some food. Okay. But I don't want on my face. I want on my back, not on my face. Ouch. Stop. Pick yourself there. Yes. Right there. No. You're not going to pack me anymore? What kind of brother are you if you're not packing me? Okay, bye brother. I'll see you later. Why? My brother left me. Now he's walking away like crazy. I'm gonna walk away from my sister. Now I fly up in the sky. Seriously, he goes to on top of the roof, the helicopter pad. He's never gonna learn a lesson from me now. I can't believe it. He left me and sitting on top of me and watching me. I thought he would leave me, go to another place. But leopards are always overprotective. I told you. Now I just want to get the food. I'll just start how to get the food. I think my brother will be leaving after some while and get me some food. At least I'm the baby sister. I'm a baby sister. Okay. The food is in front of me, so now I just need to pounce there. But I don't know how to pounce. No, the food is covered with something. Like I don't know how to say it. I want food. I'm so itchy. Eating time. Where are you, brother? Oh yeah, I forgot. He's up there on the rooftop. I think he left. I saw he left. What?